Click on the link below to get price. The Polylumber Adirondack Chairs set of 6 is a notable addition to any outdoor space, designed with durability and comfort in mind. Crafted from polylumber, a material recognized for its all-weather resistance, these chairs offer a practical solution for those seeking stylish, functional seating for patios, gardens, or decks. At first glance, the aesthetic appeal of these chairs is striking. The classic Adirondack design, known for its wide armrests and sloped backrest, provides a welcoming or relaxed vibe, perfect for enjoying leisurely afternoons outdoors. The set of 6 ensures ample seating for gatherings, making it a versatile option for family get-togethers or casual entertaining. One of the standout features of this product is its construction. The polylumber material is engineered to withstand the elements, resisting fading, cracking, and splintering. This characteristic makes it suitable for various climates, from humid summers to snowy winters, as it does not require the same level of maintenance that traditional wood chairs demand. This can save time and effort in upkeep, allowing users to focus more on enjoying their outdoor spaces. In terms of comfort, the chair's design promotes relaxation. The gently sloped backrest encourages a laid-back posture, ideal for unwinding with a book or enjoying a cool drink on a sunny day. Additionally, the wide armrests provide a convenient place to rest items or to lean back comfortably, enhancing the overall user experience. When it comes to assembly, like many outdoor furniture items, some effort is required. However, most users report that the process is straightforward, with clear instructions and all necessary hardware included. Once assembled, the chairs can be easily repositioned, thanks to their lightweight design, allowing for flexible arrangements depending on the occasion. In conclusion, the Polylumber Adirondack Chairs set of 6 presents a strong option for anyone looking to enhance their outdoor seating experience. With its combination of durability, comfort, and classic design, it serves as a reliable choice for creating inviting outdoor spaces. Whether hosting friends or simply enjoying solo time outdoors, these chairs offer a practical and aesthetically pleasing solution.